Hello viewers, welcome you all to Naxar YouTube channel. In this special video, I want to tell you about the ensuing election 2024. All my Indians, brothers and sisters, we feel proud that we belong to the largest democracy of the world. As the voters of such a democratic country, it is our first and foremost duty to cast our valuable votes in the ensuing election 2024. It is our fundamental and constitutional right to cast our votes and elect the MLAs and MPs to govern our country in a best manner. As a senior citizen, I feel it my duty to make a conscious of our Indian voters, Indian brothers and sisters to elect a noble, patriotic and eligible as well as a suitable candidate for the best governance. We must take part in voting ourselves without fail. We should avoid taking money for our valuable votes. If we do so, we are inferior to a beggar. The beggar is reluctant to receive a 1 rupee coin. If we take rupees 1000 to cast our vote, we prove ourselves less than a beggar. Therefore, I request you all to elect such a candidate who can give us best governance and lead our country on progress. Long live Indian democracy. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bande Utkala Janani. Jai Jagannath.